Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Cornerstone. We're a whole home service provider offering AC, plumbing, and electrical services. In today's video, we're going to discuss our preventative maintenance plan that we have. So our preventative maintenance plan is called the Cornerstone Protection Plan. With that plan itself, you guys get 2 preventative AC maintenances a year. So our qualified AC technician will come out, do a thorough evaluation and a maintenance of your system, cleaning your drain lines, your condensing coils, and looking over the entire system, kind of like a doctor's checkup, seeing if there's anything that we could see causing issues within the near future. You guys also get a whole home plumbing inspection. This includes our plumber coming out, doing a whole home plumbing inspection of the entire house, flushing the water heater, looking for any signs of leaks. If there's anything that our plumbers notice that need to be addressed, they'll then bring that to your attention. You'll also get a whole home electrical inspection. Our electrician will come out, do a whole home evaluation of the electrical system within your house, check the main panel, check all the outlets, switches, lights, and make sure everything is in safe operation. Also part of our plan, you guys receive a 2-year parts and labor warranty on the small repairs that we do, not including refrigerant related issues when it comes to your AC system. Another benefit of being one of our club members is 10% repair discounts on all the work that we do. For our club members, if they ever were to need an upgraded AC system, water heater, or electrical panel, you guys do receive the full amount of the plan itself off, which would be $119 when you guys were to make one of these purchases. So if you guys don't already have a Cornerstone Protection Plan and it's something that you guys are interested in, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Our main office number is 813-949-4445, and we'll get you guys signed up today.